Happy Holi!
और अब सही बोलो गणपति बाप्पा। सो गणपति बाप्पा का हमने नाम लिया है तो परफॉर्मेंस भी पहले हम उसी के साथ शुरू करेंगे। हाँ तो तुम बोलो।
So let's see ki Holi. Why do we celebrate Holi? As any of you know, why do we celebrate Holi? What is the story behind? Okay, very interesting.
First is the Krishna story, and the second is the Holika story.
Correct. I told you that story last time as well. So why do we celebrate Holi? Of course, every festival is something like devil overthrew Netna, like somebody was very bad and then Lord came and then settled everything and then things got better again. So this is the same way how Holi started happening. There was a king called Hiranyakashipu, and you know, like there was a point like when one thing that I am the only god, like there is nobody except me. You know, like people become so different that they think they are the real god, they are real OG. So he had a son whose name was Prahlad. Prahlad was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. He always found Lord Vishnu as a real god. But in his kingdom, in his Rajya to be precise, people used to think that he is the God, like he used to portray himself as God. So then Prahlad came and he being a father, people think I am the God and they my son who thinks he is not the real God, the God is Lord Vishnu. So that's how things started with Hiranyakashipu and Prahlad, and Hiranyakashipu had a sister. So he talked with his sister that, hey, my son don't listen to me, don't think I am the real God. They think Lord Vishnu is the God, whereas we all know that Lord Vishnu is the real God rather than Hiranyakashipu being a king calling himself a God. So he said, okay, we can plan something, and then Holika was the name of the sister of Lord King Hiranyakashipu. So what was this between Holika? Holika had a blessing from Lord that if she sits in the fire, she won't be burned. Like if somebody goes to fire, then of course they get burned. But Holika was a special learning. She had some vardhan to be of Sanskrit. She had a vardhan that if she goes into the fire, she won't be burned. So they asked something and said, okay, then I will sit to Prahlad in the fire and I will be safe and Prahlad will be gone. But then of course some Lord Vishnu, Prahlad being big follower, big devotee of Lord Vishnu, they called the whole village, whole kingdom came there to witness this wonderful thing. They were like, okay, Holika has a blessing from God, what can happen to her? what has happened? Holika is gone, but Prahlad is still there, feeling, worshipping Lord Vishnu or meditating. And that's how Hiranyakashipu got that, okay, he might say that he is the real king, but the real king is someone else, the real God is someone else. This is how things then, as Holika was the devil part in this story, since then celebrating Holi. So what happened back in India, we have a bonfire near the houses. People come and throw some food into that fire. Those food, those things, makhane, is called to be the bad things we have inside us. So what do? They throw this makhane thing into the fire and say, okay, these are the devil things or bad things which we have inside us, and we let it go to fire. So this is basically how Holi thing started. Now comes the interesting part. How comes like fire to colors? What is this combination? How comes fire, like currently fire, and how comes we came with bunch, like abundance of colors, and we color everybody, we throw colors in the air. How did it happen? Anybody know how come it happened? Then why is it only colors? Perfect. Let me help you again. So how did it happen? Like as we all know, Lord Krishna, Lord Krishna is one of the most famous god all around the world. So Lord Krishna was dark with color, and his best friend Radha, she was as bright as anyone could have hoped for, so white, so white. So one day he goes to his mother Yashoda and he's like, I am dark, how comes Yashoda is so white? This is not working. And then mother being mother, she gives some colors to Lord Krishna and she says, see, if she is white, you have more options. Choose a color which you want to choose and then color her that way. So this is how colors came in between, Holi from fire to colors. So this is how we celebrate Holi, and I wish you from my side, from my Vikas side, from Bani Vidyawal side, a wonderful Holi, guys.
Thank you so much, Jagdish. Thank you.
So as we are done with the Holi part, how to celebrate Holi, let's move towards the performances so that we can go to the performances and really dance. So as we being Hindu, we being Indians, whenever we start something, we always say, Ganpati Bappa!
Moria!
Mangal Murti!
Moria!
As we say that whenever we start something, we always say that Lord Ganpati is the starter of everything. So we will be starting the performances towards Lord Ganpati.
So I would like to invite Akshaya. प्लीज आप आए गणेश स्तुति गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया वो अपना परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे।
Let's make noise for Ashra.
Hello everyone, Namaste, Namaskaram. My name is Akshaya Sankaran and I will be performing Ganesh dance. It is Bharatanatyam style and it is to the song Mahaganapatim, which is a devotional song praising Lord Ganesha. In this dance, I have included a little bit of storytelling and I hope you can enjoy the stories with me. So there is a small story of how Ganapati was created and how he was gifted the elephant head. Is everyone familiar with the story? Anyone who doesn't know the story, then I can narrate it once. No? Everyone is aware? No? Okay. So I will give a very brief version so that you can really enjoy the song along with it. So Ganesh was created by Parvati and he was gifted life by Parvati. He was later given the elephant head by Lord Shiva because he faced Lord Shiva face to face and unfortunately did not win the first battle with Lord Shiva at that point of time. So lost his head, the human head at that point of time, and was then given life again with an elephant head. Because he got the elephant head, he also got the boon and the praise. So boon means a special power that he will be the first person to be worshipped before any performance or anything happens. Because he is the strongest and the bravest to face anything, and he is the obstacle remover. So that is the story of how Ganesha came to life. That is the first story. And the second story is the race where Ganesh won by going around the world as the fastest. So is everyone else aware of this story as well, or should I give us all? Everyone is aware? No? Okay, a small story for you. So, Ganesh is also a symbol of intelligence, and he and his brother were once challenged who is the one who can go fastest around the world. And so his brother got onto a peacock. All of these gods had modes of transport. His brother got onto a peacock, and a peacock flew faster than the mode of transport of Ganesh. So Ganesh has a mouse. That's his mode of transport, right? So logically we would think a peacock is much faster than a mouse, right? So on a normal 100-meter race, the peacock would win any time, right? The challenge was to go 3 times around the entire world. But Ganesh stood there and said, my entire world are my parents. So he called his parents, Shiv and Parvati, took their blessings, got onto his mouse, spun around them 3 times, finished the race, relaxed, whereas his brother was still flying around the world. And so this is another story that symbolizes the intelligence, the wit of Ganesha and his power. And this story is also depicted in the dance. So I hope you enjoy. Sorry for taking so much of time, but I hope you enjoy. And I would be more than happy to, have you enjoy the song and the dance with me. Thank you so much.
प्रियं भूषिगवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि
Wow.
Guys, make some more noise.
Thank you so much. Please,
Let's call Tara to give her something, isn't it? Like she has done a great job. So we would like to call Tara to present a wonderful gift. And also into the story like which she told about the how we get the elephant head. Like as far as I also I want to add some part in it. Hello. So the thing is, why only elephant head? Why not some other head? Think about that part and then we give it to the performer.
Thank you so much. Is it ready for the next performance?
Okay, next performance, we have somebody special. She has been performing for us, I guess now for last 2 or 3 years. And about performance, like Lord Krishna and Radha will always dance. They love dance. For them, dance was the another way to meditate. And just to repeat that, we have our next performance. Now Jot Sudhir. Let's get some noise for us, guys. Let's make some noise for us. Guys, you could be more louder.
Good luck, Navjot.
How long did it take for you to prepare this performance? And you are like, of course, a third by Naka.
I've got 3 weeks.
3 weeks. and to help you to perform like okay for this? My mother. Guys, this is how painting look like, huh? And for the gift tree, I would like to call our board president Vikas to Navjot. Guys, come on.
Maheshwari, Raju ji, please.
Make some noise, guys. Come on.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Good luck.
Namaste, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I will start with saying that for most of us staying across the world, identity becomes layered, isn't it? We build new lives in new countries, we speak new languages, and our children grow between different cultures, right? But deep inside, right, Sagar? Deep inside, we still carry India within us. So this song that you're going to hear, and many of you might already have heard, this song is a tribute to all the Indians living across the world who keep India within themselves wherever they go. This is indeed the first patriotic song written by NRIs, developed by NRIs, for the NRIs across the world, and it was released this 26th January, and it is getting love from expats around the world, and I'm very glad it's heartwarming as the writer and composer of this song, and it's sung by me and with me Sagar and Kaushiki. Kaushiki could not join today, but we are remembering her for her contribution to this song. So this is for all of you, and I would like to hear a loud applause for all of us who are resonating with this sentiment of looking India, celebrating India, even if we are living thousands of miles away from home. Okay? So a loud Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Jai! Please enjoy the song and please sing with us.
रोम रोम में रचा है जो हर धड़कन में बसा है जो वो तिरंगा महान तेरी मेरी पहचान, वो तिरंगा महान तेरी मेरी पहचान, सारी दुनिया पे लहराएगा। तन दूर देश की माटी से पर मन जन गण मन गाएगा। तन दूर देश की माटी से पर मन जन गण मन गाएगा।
दिवाली गीत गणगौर तुम्हीं, तीज त्योहार कठौर तुम्हीं।
विश्व पटल पे तन के खड़े भारतीय का सिर मोर तुम्हीं। योग प्रेम तप कर्म की भाषा जब भी ये मन दोहराएगा। तन दूर देश की माटी से पर मन जन गण मन गाएगा। देश की माटी से पर मन जन गण मन गाएगा। Everybody, hands up in the air.
माला पंछी है दूर उड़ा, घर आना मुश्किल भी बड़ा।
सरहदों से बंद कर रहना, ये पंछी है फूल चला। होली के रंगों से जब आसमान रंग जाएगा, तन दूर देश की माटी से पर मन जन गण मन गाएगा। तन दूर देश की माटी से पर मन जन गण मन गाएगा।
हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद कहे,
दूर भले हो तन लेकिन मन सदा हिंदुस्तान रहे। अपने बच्चों को देश की मिट्टी विरासत में जो ले जाएगा,
राजदूत बन भारत का तिरंगा हर सू लहराएगा।
राजदूत बन भारत का तिरंगा हर सू लहराएगा। लहराए लहराएगा, लहराए लहराएगा। Thank you so much.
There's a small request from my end. Small request, very small request. I'll sing the hook part of the song. It is called Man Jan Gan Man Gaega. I'll sing Tan Dur Desh Ki Mati se. You can sing Man Jan Gan Man Gaega. It's just 4 simple words. Can you do this for us, please? Yes. Thank you so much. So I'll sing. Please repeat with me. Man Jan Gan Man Gaega. We'll do a quick rehearsal. Okay.
तन दूर देश की माटी से,
Okay, we'll do this.
तन दूर देश की माटी से,
Once more.
तन दूर देश की माटी से।
Great, great, guys. Thank you so much.
The audio of the song is available on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, wherever all the audio platforms. So just check it out tonight. And we are making a community video shoot majorly happening in Berlin, going on, and clips from all over the world, NRIs from all over the world. So that video is going to come out soon. So check it out, keep an eye, and please enjoy the song, enjoy the spirit, and celebrate India wherever you live. Thank you so much.
हैप्पी होली सर।
हैप्पी होली।
ये देखो डैडी देखो। हैप्पी होली। थैंक यू सर। हैप्पी होली। हैप्पी होली।
हैप्पी होली सर।
कहाँ गए वो सब? वो सब कहाँ गए? सैम। ओ सैम। हैप्पी होली। आ जाओ भाई। आज की नहीं।
शुरू हो गया।
ओह नो, आँख में घुस गया। चलो, यूज करो भाई। Yeah. Ready? ज़्यादा हो गया। सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? बाहर आओ भाई खेलने के लिए। डीजे शुरू होगा उसके बाद।
हैप्पी होली।
शुरुआत करो मैं। चलो आ जाओ भाई, को आता ही नहीं।
हाँ, तुम्हारे गान तो गोरे गोरे हैं और भी अच्छा मजा आएगा।
आओ आओ मैं।
आपको भी हैप्पी होली।
हैप्पी होली। हैप्पी
हाँ,
यहाँ पे इतने अच्छे से खेल रहा होगा। मैं बदला लूंगी।
You can take this. Thank you. Happy Holi for you. चलो अभी
मेरे को मिलेगी कैसे ये? वो भी तो मिलनी चाहिए ना।
मैंने तो तभी डाल
मैं ग्रुप में हो भी नहीं सकता।
कैमरा ले मैं
VIP में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री शॉट्स भी दे दो इसको गाड़ी चाहिए रंगी इस पे म्यूजिक चाहिए लाउड ये जाती महंगे क्लब में जाना होता डंका लुधियाने से आई लड़की यूनिवर्सिटी बॉर्डर भी है कहती तो स्टूडेंट है बट आई डाउट मुंडे ना दे बल्ले भी तो छुट्टे आनी कृष्ण को छुट्टे मिट्टे करे मेरा छुट्टे गंदा लगता है आपकी होल्डर में और में आती है किस्सा
Shami